Cert and Indices Practice Exam Question 8. The distance from Earth to the Moon is 3.84 times 10 to the power of 5. Write the distance as an expanded number. So the first thing we need to do is think about that our decimal is 3.84. When we're timesing by 10, we're getting 10 times bigger. So because it's 10 to the power of 5, it means we're getting 10 times bigger, another 10 times bigger, another 10 times bigger, 5 times. Which means we are actually getting 100,000 bigger. Based on this, the new decimal place is going to be here, which means we are getting 384,000. So we've now got the distance of 384,000 kilometers, and that is the distance in expanded form from the Earth to the Moon. Part B says, assume that the Moon's orbit is a circle. So we know that we've got the Earth, which is right here, and we've also, in orange, I'm going to make the Moon. We've got the Moon right here. Now, we are going around the Earth. So that means the distance that we've been told from the Earth to the Moon is the radius. So we know this is the radius. As it goes around, it is going to form a circle. So as it keeps traveling around, it will eventually form a circle. And that's what the second question is stating. What is the circumference of that circle? So if we're thinking about circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now it's saying that we know what our radius is. So we know our radius is 3.84 times 10 to the power of 5. So because it's wanting us to give it in a scientific notation, so I'm going to use that. So that means we've got 2 times pi times 3.84 times 10 to the power of 5. So the first thing I think about here is I'm going to go 2 times 3.84, 2 times 3.84, which is 7.68. I'm now going to times it by pi, or 3.14. That gives me the answer of 24.1152 times 10 to the power of 5. The only thing I need to do now, because it's partly in scientific notation form, is the fact that I've got 2 numbers in front of the decimal. So I just need to make sure I rewrite it in scientific form, which so that I've got it as 2.41152 times 10, because I've moved the decimal place over one spot, it'll be times 10 to the power of 6 this time. But it says correct to 3 decimal places. I've got 5. So because it's 52, I'm going to round it up. So it'll be 412. So 2.412 times 10 to the power of 6.